How to remove your followers from Twitter. If you're ever wondering how to remove your Twitter follower from your application but you cannot do it, that's because the feature is not yet backed in the application. So to do it, you have to open your mobile browser or your desktop browser. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, here we go. First off, go to twitter.com or mobile.twitter.com. And then go to your profile, leftmost button, and then choose followers. From there, you see that I only have one follower. From there, go to the three dots icon, click it, and then choose remove follower. Should any dialog pops up, you just press remove, and there you go, your follower should be removed from your Twitter account. You see that I do not have any right now because I only have like one follower. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment to the channel. Cheers, take care, and bye YouTube.